Did you know? When water meets rock, it's the water that wins? Long ago, a student asked a Taoist master, "Why does soft water overcome hard stone?" The master pointed to a flowing stream and said, "Because water never resists. But it also never stops." When you're facing a difficult person, a rigid job, or a situation that feels stuck, don't hit it like a rock. Be like water. Flow around. Slow down. Stay patient. Find the soft path. No forcing. No fighting. But also, no giving up. Water isn't stronger than rock. It's simply more enduring. Be water. Life will open a way.